Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radio since 1977. Steel Rubber Products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. And by Keller Performance Products, manufacturing extreme duty ball joints for Polaris, Can-Am, Honda, and Kawasaki UTVs.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We are in Sacramento, hanging out at the headquarters of Raptor Blaster, and John Herbert is the director of sales here. John, we've sort of had the 101 on blasting and how it works. So tell me about Raptor Blaster and how it stands apart from the others that are out there.
Well, we're out here on the West Coast, and we have close to $1 million of inventory of abrasives and equipment, and we can service anybody in the United States. We actually have customers in France and in the Marshall Islands that we service, and I think our combined experience helps customers with problems, and that's the name of the game in abrasive blasting, keep the equipment up and running.
What kind of experience are we talking about with you guys?
Well, I've been in the industry for 30 years, both in service, parts, and sales. And we have a guy, Jerry, here that's been in the industry for 15 years, and he actually ran commercial job sites for sandblasting. And everybody here is real familiar with the Raptor line of cabinets, and you call in and somebody's going to be able to give you the correct part for whatever may be wrong with your equipment, and we also sell parts for anybody's equipment here at Raptor Blaster.
How important is it for you to help folks out when they need assistance? You're not just sending a cabinet out and saying good luck to you.
No, it's all about service after the sale. We have a 2-year warranty on the cabinets, and it's pretty much no questions asked. If something fails in the field, we get that out to you. The other manufacturers we represent have very good warranties. They're leaders in the industry, and you've seen some of that earlier.
And how much do you have in stock? If I need a part right away, how quick can I get it?
So basically any of the parts for our Raptor cabinets are in stock, and for major lines we have parts in stock that are compatible with most blast equipment out in the field.
And you guys are strategically placed here on the West Coast, which helps you a lot with the East Coast customers.
Yeah, we get a lot of East Coast customers. There are also distributors of the lines that we distribute that will be referred to us so we can overnight a part and get them back up and running on the East Coast or the Midwest. And I think our UPS cutoff time's around 3 o'clock Pacific, so that works out well.
You guys are hooked up with Schmidt products, as we've talked about. How important is it to have such a good partner and somebody whose products you can back up?
Schmidt is a leader in the industry. They started in the oil refinery and the shipyard business, and they make great products that really don't need a whole lot of attention, a few maintenance items, and that's it.
Bill, what is it like for you to be affiliated with a company like Raptor Blaster?
Look, we have a really good relationship with Raptor Blaster. They are a very professional group. They support their products. On their manufacturing side, they build a really nice product, so it's a really nice blend between what Raptor does and what we do with the Schmidt products, because it's about quality, it's about service to the industry. It's not just putting another product out into the market like many others do. We are passionate about this, about bringing that value to the customer.
How do your products compare to what Raptor Blaster sells, and why is it such a good partnership?
Raptor Blaster manufactures a product that's primarily used in like an industrial sector, a smaller shop. Most of our products are really destined for the industrial sector, you know, from road blasters to ship blasters, et cetera, et cetera. But what we have done here lately is we have started building products on a smaller scale to kind of give us an edge into a restoration business, a smaller type of a contractor, you know, that market that is really new to us. So for us to be partnered with Raptor Blaster, who is accustomed to that industry, really gives us a nice advantage in coming into a new marketplace with our new products.
Rick, how proud are you of what you've built here?
Very proud. I mean, we really strive to make every customer of ours 100% happy, and we have the experience with our staff to do that. and that's what makes me the most proud.
Well, between the quality of the product and the service, Rick, you have so much to be proud of, and we're glad you brought us out here to Raptor Blaster. Thank you for joining us for this adventure here on the road. We'll be back in the studio next week, so be sure to join us then. You can check us out on Facebook in the meantime, and until next week, from our entire crew, we'll see you here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings.